name's Jesse Baroni, but you can call me Mr. B. And in my class, learning all the time is the key. No one's ever gotten less than a C. We got your math, your science, your history all right, but the most important thing we cover is this thing we call life. Hey everyone, it's just been a couple days since we pulled an epic prank on Murdoch TikTok III. We totally had him believing that I spent that whole week just moping around because schools were closed. Joke's on him. I mean, can you really believe that he would think that... Oh. That's him. Well, hello there, Mr. TikTok. You still laughing from that joke we played on you? Very funny, Mr. B. I was just calling to remind you that today is a special day. Do you remember why? I don't need you to remind me why today is special, Mr. TikTok. I feel it every minute. Ah, well in that case, my work here is done. I'll just leave you to wallow in your misery. For those of you who don't know, this weekend was supposed to be a leadership workshop weekend at my school. For those of you who have never been to leadership workshop before, I don't even know how to describe it. It's awesome. You get to hang out with all your friends, make new friends, collaborate, practice conflict resolution, learn about executive skills, participate in good-natured competition, and have tons of fun. I don't know. It's just hard not to think about what I would be doing if leadership workshop were happening this weekend. And I think that some of my fellow teachers in the workshop staff might be thinking the same thing. My name is Jesse, and you know what I got? What do you got? I got a council that is hotter than hot. How hot is hot?
Woo! And a touchdown! Score the home run! First ball! I don't know what game we're playing! Man, I love Breck! Woo!
I got a pineapple hat.
I got a pineapple hat.
And a caterpillar crawl.
And a caterpillar crawl.
All the crickets wanna kick it.
All the crickets wanna kick it.
'Cause they know I really ball.
'Cause they know I really ball.
I got a pineapple hat.
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 Woo!
All right, everybody, it's the end of the day. Let's sing The More We Get Together. The more we get together, together, together. The more we get together, the happier we'll be.
When I go to leadership workshop, I love to sit quietly all weekend and read a nice book. Just kidding. I love to watch the kids chant and cheer and lose their voices all weekend long. Hey, Mrs. Rogers. Hey, what? Let me see you get down. No way. Let me see you get down. Okay. G-O-W-N, that's where we get down. Woo!
Hot dog, that's a great idea. Let's take inventory. Coca-Cola, I see you're here. That's right, I'm here, and I'm so excited. I know today's the day we're all gonna get sold. So much caffeine!
No man is an island. No man stands alone. Each man's joy is joy to me. Each man's grief is my own. We need one another, so I will defend each man as my brother, each man as my friend.
I love workshop morning workouts, especially Zumba. Wish I was walking the dinosaur with you guys now.
Hey, Anzac.
Hey, what?
Let me see you get down.
No way.
I said let me see you get down.
Okay.
D-O-W-N, and that's the way we get down. Woo! Woo!
It's tough not to think about how great that event would have been. But we just have to make the best of where we are. So make sure that you're getting outside, finding ways to exercise, and giving your brain chances to be creative. If you're like me, this break is going to make you appreciate school a little bit more when it's time to go back. Although I must say, there is one thing about Leadership Workshop that I won't miss this year.
I gotta say, I love Leadership Workshop. Every Saturday when I lose my voice on Saturday afternoon, it's just a long weekend after that. Whew. Time to go cheer some more. My name is Jesse, and you know what I got.